Back in the year 2000, Carter Products in Grand Rapids, Michigan, partnered with a precision laser manufacturer in Germany to provide North American industries with industrial positioning lasers. Today, Z-Laser and Carter Products have become the premier supplier to industries such as wood, stone, electronics, food processing, furniture, automotive, production assemblies, and many more. Carter Products covers all North America, offering many different models with many power outputs and a variety of lens optics for just about any application. The ZM18 series sets the standard for modern industrial laser modules designed to meet the demands of a wide range of positioning applications. Choose between red or green laser options and select the ideal focus type, manual or fixed, for your specific needs. The ZPT-F is a high-quality laser module. It's particularly noted for its service-friendly design and focusable line projection, which can be adjusted for minimum line width and maximum visibility. The battery-powered ZAT laser features a rugged metal housing with a built-in power source, AA or rechargeable battery, under a screw cap. A rear button toggles the laser on and off. The ZAT offers line, dot, or cross optics to suit various applications. The ZD Universal Mini Laser is the smallest module that offers excellent visibility of up to 15 milliwatts of power. Choose from line, dot, or cross projection and fixed focus and focusable options. For specialized applications, we offer lasers like the ZKV, which uses a rotating mirror to project highly visible red or green circles with an adjustable diameter. An optional red cross can be added at the center, and the unit installs easily above the work surface with a wired remote control for simple, precise operation. We offer all the mounting hardware and accessories you need to match your specific application. Whether you need quick adjustability with the H220 or precise positioning with the H6 for maximum accuracy, we'll ensure you get the right solution to fit your setup and enhance production efficiency. If you have a unique application in mind, we have more options available. Give us a call or fill out the contact form at carterlaser.com. We are the North American answer to increased productivity, offering precision lasers and expert support right here in Grand Rapids, Michigan.